All right, getting you some more breaking news coming in right now. Day after Manipur CM N. Biren Singh tendered his resignation, BJP state in charge Sambit Patra held closed-door meetings with several party legislators to discuss the next steps. So the meeting amid a political crisis after CM's exit, a very important meeting is taking place right now to decide the next course of action which will be taken after Biren Singh's exit. So there's a big meeting happening. And this is happening as a day after Manipur CM N. Biren Singh tendered his resignation. BJP state in charge Sambit Patra held closed-door meetings with several party legislators to discuss the next steps. So the pictures that we're getting for you as well, viewers, and remember the question would right now be on who's going to be the next CM as well of Manipur. The BJP is holding a very important meeting. N. Biren Singh had resigned as a chief minister just this Sunday after there were calls for his exit for a long time now. And we're seeing that the BJP parliamentarian and party's Northeast coordinator, Sambit Patra, met a host of party ministers and MLAs at an Imphal hotel. And viewers, let's move ahead right now. An FIR was filed by the Assam police on Monday against comedian Samay Raina and YouTubers Ranveer Alabadia, Apurva Mukhija and Ashish Chanchlani over their remarks in the latest episode of India's Got Talent. Latent, the content creators have been accused of promoting obscenity and engaging in sexually explicit and vulgar discussions. Watch our report as we track this big story coming in.
Amid a row over YouTuber Ranveer Alabadia's obscene remarks on India's Got Talent show, the Assam police on Monday registered an FIR against Ranveer Alabadia, Samay Raina, Ashish Chalani, Apurva Makhija and others on the show. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma also confirmed the same in a social media post. The National Human Rights Commission has written a letter to the video streaming platform seeking the removal of the video with the Ranveer Alabadia's jokes.
आपके मुंह में ज़बान है तो आप कुछ भी बोलेंगे। YouTube ने आपको या सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स ने आपको अभिव्यक्ति का अधिकार दे दिया है तो आप समाज में गंदगी फैलाएंगे। हमने प्लेटफॉर्म को बोला है कि अपने इस तरीके के कंटेंट को तत्काल हटाइए। जिन लोगों ने कृत्य किया है उनके बारे में पुलिस को सूचना करिए जिससे कि पुलिस उनके अगेंस्ट कार्रवाई कर सके।
Meanwhile, after facing backlash from the advertisers, Alabadia issued a half-hearted apology.
My comment wasn't just inappropriate, it wasn't even funny. Comedy is not my forte. I'm just here to say sorry. Many of you asked if this is how I wish to use my platform, and obviously this is not how I wish to use it. I'm not going to give any context or justification or reasoning behind whatever happened. I'm just here for an apology. I promise to just get better. I've asked the makers of the video to remove the insensitive sections from the video. And all I can say in the end is, I'm sorry. I hope you can forgive me.
Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has said that anyone who crosses the limits of decency will face action.
बहुत भद्दे तरीके से कुछ चीजों को कहा गया है, प्रेजेंट किया गया है, ऐसा मुझे भी पता चला है, जो बिल्कुल गलत है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अभिव्यक्ति इसकी भी कोई मर्यादाएं है। हमारे समाज में हमने अश्लीलता के भी कुछ नियम तैयार किए हैं। अगर उनको कोई पार करता है तो ये बहुत गलत बात है। अगर ऐसी कोई बात होती है तो उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
Politicians were quick to take note of Ranveer's remarks.
I think it is extremely unfortunate that under the garb of comedy, we are getting away with such vulgar comments, such blasphemous comments, and there has to be some kind of reflection on what kind of comedy talent are we promoting in this country. There can be some really good comedy which is clean, but this comedy is not good. And all I'd say is, as part of the standing committee of information broadcasting as well as IT, I'm going to raise it in the standing committee, and I'm very sure the chairman of the standing committee, Mr. Nishikant Dubeji, will take acknowledgement of it and will ensure that some kind of rules and regulations are not demolished and the basic Indian values are not sacrificed at the altar of so-called comedy.
आप कंटेंट क्रिएटर हैं और आप इस तरह के ऊल जलूल बेमतलब के एक बद दिमाग सोच के सवालात और कंटेंट क्रिएट कर रहे हैं और उस तरह की बातें कर रहे हैं, तो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि इस तरह के झूठ मूठ के व्यंग को, जो परेशान करता है, जो हंसाने के लिए नहीं है, जो बहुत ही अभद्र है और जिसमें ह्यूमर तो कम बदतमीज़ी ज़्यादा झलकती है, उसको रोकने की और उसको अंकुश लगाने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत है।
Questions are now being raised if these content creators are crossing the line of decency by making filthy remarks in the garb of entertainment.